So let us denote the straight lines either vertical or horizontal or slanting. So what is the first property? Reflexivity. Reflexivity means the same line is perpendicular to L, that we have to check. So no same line will be perpendicular to the same line of action. So reflexivity is not true. Okay, let us check for symmetricity. So what is symmetricity? If L is perpendicular to M means M should be also perpendicular to L. This is what the symmetric property. So here we find that L is perpendicular to M. Similar way M is also perpendicular to L. So the symmetric relation is true. Let us go for transitivity. Transitivity means we need 3 lines. What are all the 3 lines we can take? This L, M and this as N. Okay, so L is perpendicular to M. That is one of the, okay, this one. Next we take M is perpendicular to N. We take 2 pairs of perpendicular lines. One is L perpendicular to M and M is perpendicular to N. That means this is what our N. Okay, so what is our derivation? L should be perpendicular to N. Okay, so L is perpendicular to M, but M is perpendicular to N, which means our derivation should be L is perpendicular to N. Now you see, L is like this, N is like this. Are they perpendicular? No, they are parallels. So transitivity is also not true. Okay, so this is the way we should prove this. Next we can come to the third problem. Let A be the set containing all the members of a family. So all the members of a family, which we mean there may be male people and female people, men and women will be there. So we should define a relation. We are defining a relation. A is not a sister of B. This is what the relation defined here. So we should check all the 3 properties. First one, as usual, reflexive. What is reflexive? So here it is given A is not a sister of B. So first we should replace B by A, then it will give you reflexive. A is not a sister of A. Is that true or not? A can be the sister of A is not a sister of A. It is true only. One person cannot be the sister of the same person. So it is true. Let us go for the second property, symmetry. A is not a sister of B. So B is not a sister of A. It implies if A is not a sister of B, B cannot be a sister of A. This is not true. Symmetricity is not true. Okay. Third one, transitive. If A is not a sister of B, B is not a sister of C, then A is not a sister of C. This is also not true. Because if A or C or anyone happens to be a male, all these relations are not true. Okay, in that way only we are proving that they are not true. Suppose if A is a male, then A will not be a sister of B. Then B will not be a sister of C because C is a male. Then A and C, both are males, cannot be a sister. Okay, then come to the fourth one. A be the set of consisting of the female members. That is most important here. It is particularized now. So they are all we are considering only the female people or members of a same family. Now we have to check all the 3 relations. The relation is defined as A is not a sister of B. Same way, what is reflexivity? A is not a sister of A. That is true. One person cannot be a sister of the same person. Next, if A is not a sister of B, then B is also not a sister of A. It is also true. That is symmetric. Let us go for transitivity. Transitivity is what? If A is not a sister of B, B is not a sister of C means A is not a sister of C. It is also true.